Sometimes you have a psychological problem, to be honest with you. Because why? You're thinking too much. Your eman is weak. That's why you are suffering. When your eman is weak, you know what happens? You start thinking, what's going to happen to me, my future? I'm 23, I'm not yet married. What's going to happen? And you're sitting at night and worrying. If worrying got you married, we'd all have 4 wives. Allahu Akbar. Yes. You stop worrying in that way. Worrying never solves a problem. Trust me, lay your trust in Allah, do what you can in your capacity, go out and try as hard as you can. Never ever leave any stone unturned when it comes to your effort, and leave the rest in the hands of Allah. Don't worry, sleep like a log, mashallah, for as long as you get up for Salatul Fajr. But that's the way forward. The problem with us, you can't have a job. Someone's done magic on me. Let's go where? Let's go to these fortune tellers, magicians. You can call them what you want. People who engage in superstitious activity. Islam is the fastest growing religion on earth because the Quran and the Sunnah in reality are logical. They make sense. The minute you see superstition, the people won't want to accept Islam. Imagine someone wants to accept Islam and you tell them, when you have a problem, you must just go to these people. They will dangle an elastic band by your nose and make you sneeze 3 times. And you'll be okay. It happened to me and I was okay. How were you okay? You felt okay when you sneezed perhaps, but that was the devil making you feel okay because he wanted to insult Allah. And he tells Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, look, he laughs at us. Look at this guy. I made a fool of him. Do you know? I made a fool of him. I made him do something, pretending or thinking that he's going to be cured through that. And when you told him, I am a Shafi, he just turned away from that. What does Ibrahim alayhi salam say? وَإِذَا مَرِضْتُ فَهُوَ يَشْفِينَ. When I become sick, it is He, Allah alone, who is the owner of cure. He will cure me. I don't turn to anything else. So keep on making dua. One might ask, okay, if I want to protect myself from these things, what do I do? Number 1, every morning and evening, put a metal armor around you. How do you put that around you? You don't want to be affected by jinn. You don't want to be affected by black magic. I told you, one is the person who participates in it. He has disbelieved in Allah. If a person goes to a fortune teller to ask him a question out of curiosity, that means I don't want to believe them, but I say I'm just going for the fun of it. The hadith in Sahih Muslim says, Allah will not accept his salah for 40 days. You go to a fortune teller, okay, right, tell me my fortune. I'm just joking. I just want to see what he says. No, I didn't believe in it. I just want to see. Allah says, even if you just wanted to see what he said, your salah is not accepted for 40 days. It's a hadith in Sahih Muslim by Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Subhanallah. How come? Now here comes a young man not reading salah. Why are you not reading salah? Oh, I'm off. What do you mean you're off? Are you a woman? No. I went to a magician. Now 40 days I'm just off, Astaghfirullah. That is not the meaning of the hadith. The meaning of the hadith is that for 40 days the reward of your salah is not achieved. You have to read it. You have to fulfill it. If you don't fulfill your salah, you will be punished. And when you fulfill it because you did something evil, the reward of it is not there. Similar to a person who's drunk alcohol or something intoxicating. The hadith says 40 days, salah is not accepted, which means the reward of the salah will not get to you. It's like payment of a punishment. Your salary is being deducted. You still have to go to work. If you don't go, you're not going to get a salary. You have to go to work, you will get a salary, but it's deducted as a fine for something you did that was bad.